Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. If you are planning to buy a portable monitor with outstanding performance, color accuracy and excellent build quality, then this video is just for you. Today we'll take a look at the best portable monitor in the market right now. But purchasing such devices for your needs will prove to be no less than a challenging task. When it comes to buying the right product, then there's a lot to look out for. That's why today, we've picked and reviewed the 3 best models for you. The extra monitor can boost your efficiency and productivity. We've spent many hours researching these products. We've ranked them based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description down below. You can also see the prices and other information about laptops by using the links in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let's get started. Asus ROG Strix XG17. This is our best premium portable monitor. If you're an avid gamer looking for a splurge, buy the Asus ROG Strix XG17, currently priced at $650, holds nothing back, and gives you maximum performance, speed, and features. Display. You get an incredible gaming experience on a 17.3-inch screen wherever you are. You're going to love the incredible 240Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync for amazingly fluid visuals. The 17.3-inch Full HD IPS display screen delivers excellent image quality with a 100% sRGB color gamut for color accuracy and a high 1000:1 contrast ratio with excellent viewing angles. It comes with support for adaptive sync, enables a fluid, tear-free gameplay experience at peak performance with low latency. Connectivity. With its USB Type-C and micro HDMI ports, you can hook up various devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and game consoles. Battery. With a 7800 mAh built-in battery, you'll get about 3.5 hours of continuous gaming. Design. Just 0.4 inches thick and weighs only 2.3 pounds, making it highly portable for a 17.3-inch monitor. Speaker. The 2 front-facing speakers deliver the impressive sound you can hear and feel. When it comes to audio, it also comes with 2 front-firing stereo speakers that sound good and get quite loud, but for the immersive sound. Conclusion. If you're a gamer looking for the ultimate portable monitor with a large display that you can easily take with you for great 240Hz gaming wherever you go, the Asus ROG Strix XG17 is a premium choice and well worth the investment. 2. Asus Pro Art PQ22UC. The Asus Pro Art is the world's first 21.6-inch portable monitor with an OLED panel with 2160p resolution that provides unique saturated and accurate color and contrast ratio for top image quality. Design. It has a neat gunmetal color with a matte black smart case. Though it is not bezel-free, the 3 sides borders are very thin and flush against the screen's outer layer. It looks more like a tablet than a portable monitor because of its size. With 0.3-inch thinness, you may even slip it in a large laptop bag next to a laptop. Display. It has a 60Hz refresh rate and a pixel density of 204 ppi, making images highly detailed and sharper than that of Apple's Retina displays. It is perfect for viewing media and visual content. It provides excellent color profiles and pre-calibration. The monitor delivers an infinite contrast ratio, and it provides HDR performance. It is too expensive, and it comes with limited availability. Connectivity. You can be connected to your other devices using its two USB-C ports with DP 1.2 alt modes and a micro HDMI 2.0 slot. The USB-C supports data transfer speeds of up to 5 GB per second and 4 CUSH output for external displays. Conclusion. It has an attractive and minimalist design. The Asus Pro Art PQ22UC is perfect for creative professionals who need to travel and present their artworks with the most accurate colors. It may seem too much on the pricey side, but it is worth considering with its incomparable fantastic panel. 1. Lenovo ThinkVision M14. This is one of the best portable monitors, best overall design. Lenovo ThinkVision M14 portable monitor is a thin and lightweight, uniquely designed piece of tech which weighs only 1.26 pounds. The ThinkVision M14 has a matte black body and an anti-glare screen free of the reflections visible on the screen. Display. The 14-inch screen gives you an in-plane switching panel or IPS panel having native 1080p 1920 by 1080 pixels native resolution for 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio to work with, which is an acceptable resolution for display of this size. The Lenovo ThinkVision M14's 14.1-inch screen presents colorful images with the 200 nits matte display, and that means that the color quality is top-notch on this one. Also, the viewing angles are unique, and the picture can remain bright even at angles greater than 45 degrees. Connectivity. The M14 base houses the display ports and buttons on the right side of the power button and a USB-C port flanking the notch for a Kensington cable lock. On the left side is a second USB Type-C port plus arrow buttons to control the panel's brightness and a button to toggle the low blue light setting on and off. Those two buttons are the extent of the M14's on-screen display OSD controls. Conclusion. This Lenovo monitor comes with a portable second screen. You can easily compare documents, view research on one screen while creating content in another. If you want one of the best portable monitors, you should check out the Lenovo ThinkVision M14 and see if this is the portable monitor you are looking for. Final verdict. Recommended best portable monitor is Lenovo ThinkVision M14. Other portable monitors on this list are also great. You can select and buy one from the Amazon link given in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to get the latest update from our channel. Because in this channel you get helpful laptop reviews, plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Which is your top pick from today's video, Lenovo ThinkVision M14 or Asus Pro Art PQ22UC? Have a great one and I will see you next time.